Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then click on this send button from these options. Now on the screen, you have to select the USDT on this list of cryptocurrencies. So if you have USDT on your account, it will be displayed here. So you have to tap on USDT from here. Then you have to paste the wallet address from your Phantom wallet in this to field. So open up your Phantom wallet and then click on this receive button. And after that, you have to select the network that you want to use to receive your USDT. So I will just select Ethereum from here. And then on the screen, you have to click on this wallet address that is showing at the bottom of your screen. And then your wallet address will be copied. After that, go back to the Coinbase app and then paste the wallet address in this area and then click on continue. And lastly, you have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your local currency and then click on preview. And it might show you this warning, click on continue. And then lastly, you have to verify your address, network and the amount you are transferring. And once you confirm these details, click on send now. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.